Albay 1st District Representative Edsel Lagman passed away at the age of 82 due to cardiac arrest. His daughter, Tabaco City Mayor Crisel Lagman, confirmed his passing on January 30. Lagman served as the representative of Albay's 1st District for 8 terms. He was also the president of the Liberal Party. Yeah, we just talked to him.
Oo, suki natin yan dito
we talked to him a few months ago regarding the, ano ba to? Yung divorce bill.
Divorce bill, charter change. And I was also, had the pleasure to interview him before sa One Balita Pilipinas Weekend. Ano yan eh, pagka tinawagan mo, automatic
game yan.
Game yan. Tapos, saka talagang willing siyang i-explain, diba? In layman's term, yung nilalaman ng mga batas para mas naiintindihan ng kababayan
natin. Hindi siya napipikaw na naiirita, bihira.
Oo, hindi siya intellectual snob. No. But of course, we send our condolences and prayers to the family of Edsel Lagman.
At the age of 82.
This is a great loss nga daw sa sa political landscape. Kasi talagang
isang matapang na mambabatas sa floor.
He balances the floor, 'di ba, the Congress. Tapos ano pa ba, 'di ba? He's a human rights advocate as well.
He's credited with not going with the flow all the time. Basta he stands by kung ano yung mga advocacies niya.
Very principled.
Principled siya. So kung hindi porket dito majority, of course sometimes he has to do that daw to get the votes he needs for certain bills. But on hindsight, if you look at all that he has done, very rarely nakikita mo na sumasama sa mga crowd yan. Nagma-minority nga yan eh.
Oo. And then yun nga, ang last stint niya is being the
Liberal Party
president. Aside from being congressman. So, he was here before to talk about divorce bill at explain niya sa atin yung mga
gulat ako,
provisions.
Wala pa siya on air narinig na niya yung sinabi natin.
He really
sabi niya, I'd like to talk about what you said earlier.
He really listens. He really, tsaka isang tawag mo lang nandyan na siya. But of course, again, condolences to the family of Edsel Lagman.